You can impress a woman for a while with your looks and status and money. You need to be a man of mystery. You need to make her work for it. A woman will never respect or truly love a man that she has to chase. That's just how it is. But if you make her chase you, now you're playing the game of life on her terms. You need to make her earn your attention. Make her feel like she has to do something to get your approval. And once you start doing these things, she won't be able to resist. She'll be drawn to you like a magnet. He thinks that by being close to her, by having her affection, it will make him feel loved. It will make him feel complete. But it's all just an illusion. And according to science, this is how you do it. You see, when a man chases a woman, he's really just trying to fill his own emotional needs. The only way to stop chasing and start getting her to chase you is to become a man of mystery. You need to make her work for it.